Hello friends, welcome to my channel True Knowledge. So today our topic of discussion is how to speak English correctly and fluently. But before that, if you are new to my channel and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never forget any important updates coming from this channel. So if you are someone who is interested in learning speaking English language, this video is going to be very useful for you. So watch it till the end, and if you find this video useful, then you can share it among your friends. So let's start with the today's topic of discussion. So the first important tip over here is while learning speaking English language, this is going to be a very wonderful day for all the housewives and all the youngsters or all the people those who want to learn speaking English language, that do not feel hesitation. Okay, so the people those who want to speak English language in public, or those who want to do well in any group discussions for job interview process also, so you have to keep in mind that the hesitation that you have built up in your mind is definitely going to create some problem, because while speaking you will think that you might speak it in a wrong way, and that will create a definitely wrong impression among people. So you will have to remove that hesitation from your mind, and you will have to feel that this is a language and I can speak it. So just you have to build your self confidence in this way. This is going to be helpful for you to learning English language faster. And also the second tip is very necessary, that is practice while you are like um, in a comfortable space. So just to see how you are delivering your speech and how you are speaking it, and what are the flaws and what are the corrections that need to be done, so that you will feel that yes, I can speak the English language in a very comfortable way now. So you will have to practice in front of the mirror, and this technique is very important, because by using this technique you will understand that while you are hesitating, the problems is getting worse, but while you are in a comfortable space, you can speak in a beautiful way. So this is a very important tip. So the first two tip is very necessary. Now coming to the third tip, that is learn from the English web series and read newspaper. This point is very important, because watching English web series is going to help you, like how they are delivering speech and how they are communicating among themselves. So you will understand how to pronounce a word properly. Definitely Indian accent is different from that of the the people those who are born in US, or other language. But the thing is that you will be able to understand many things while watching web series. And reading newspaper is a wonderful tip, because it is going to improve your vocabulary skills, and you will learn new words, and then you will search them. If you will not understand any new word, you can search them in dictionary. So this is going to help you in understanding the English language better, and you will learn new words every day while reading newspaper. So this three tip is very important if you are a beginner and if you want to learn speaking English language. So for all the housewives and all the people those who are staying in home, and they just think they want to improve their communication skill, they want to learn English language, follow this three tip, and I guarantee you that after some day you will definitely feel better, and you will definitely be able to speak it correct way. So this is about today's video. Goodbye.